Oh, I don't think I should be careful. I think you should be careful. Because this thing cut your head last time. Remember that?
Thanks for reminding me. Maybe it's time for a little payback.
Well, you might call it a payback. Well, what am I gonna call it?
A big mistake.
A big mistake, huh? You think you can challenge me when I have a lightsaber in my hands, man?
Yeah.
Well, do you also know that I'm Conan the Barbarian when I hold a lightsaber in my hands, man?
This is gonna take much longer, man. I'm seriously getting hungry.
Oh, it's slice and dice time, man! Come on, wherever you are, little guy. Where are you, Tommy? Oh, you're a sneaky little guy, aren't you? Oh, now it's on. Hand over the Nerf saber. No way, dude. Find your own saber. That's it. That is it. Ha! Flush out your rat hole.